Tongue ulcers may appear on the tongue for many reasons. The ulcers are the enlarged papillae on our tongue, also known as swollen taste buds, and can be very painful. This infection is more common in persons who have weak immune systems and deficiency in vitamins and minerals. These tongue ulcers usually clear up in a few days on their own. Sharing a very simple home remedy for healing tongue ulcers at our home. One of the easiest and fastest way to heal it is to put a tablespoonful of sugar in our mouth. After putting the sugar in my mouth, chewing it properly with my teeth. Now putting the chewed sugar on above the tongue ulcers for a few minutes 3 to 4 times a day can heal tongue ulcers in a day or two. After 5 minutes, I am taking out the sugars from my mouth and gargling with clean water. If the tongue ulcers are appearing for some other related disease, it may need urgent medical attention. Many people use sugar to heal external ulcers and wounds in legs or any other parts of a body by applying sugar after cleaning the wound properly. Strains of bacteria may grow in low concentrations of sugar, but sugar can completely inhibit bacteria in higher concentrations. Honey has similar healing properties like sugar and is said to be even more effective at inhibiting bacterial growth. Sugar can heal ulcers where the best antibiotic had failed. Sugar is often used by the village poor people who cannot afford costly antibiotics. Many people treat a wound or ulcer by pouring sugar on the wound or ulcers and cover it by applying a bandage over the sugar. Try it and see the hidden healing power of sugar treating ulcers and wounds more quickly than any other treatment.